What's going on, guys? So me and Huey have been over here at the farm working on the trucks. Had a couple more videos planned to do today, but Gere just called me and said all the guys are over at his house checking out his new big bad truck, and you know, they're working on it and whatnot. So we're saying goodbye to Larry. We're gonna hop in the Trail Boss. We're about to head over there. I'm gonna show you all this absolute monster of a truck that he got. It's not what you're probably thinking, but it is. Makes my truck look like a little baby in comparison. So anyways, I'm gonna go drop Huey off at home. We're gonna head out to Gere's house and show you all his newest project.
Perfect.
All right, guys, we are here. We got Mead, we got Dilly, we got Garrett and Gere, and he about the cold start. So guess what it is, just by the sound. It's a 18-wheeler. Maybe we should turn it off and talk. Yeah, let's just go around it and scream. 13 speeds. Hit the horn, dude. Hit the horn. Right, he's loud. Just empty the tank. Yeah, we're under restoration here. Getting after it, trying to figure out what to do. Oh, that is awesome.
Gotta shut off fuel.
Hey, I hear you.
Old school way. Oh yeah, this is it. Snowman's rig. Yeah, I got a 78 Trans Am, Smokey and the Bandit. This is the truck, the actual star of the show.
Going for the full
Dude, we're
truck, trailer, the car.
everything. This is gonna be easier than the car. It's just bigger,
Right.
but it's together. It runs.
Tell us something. Change your life.
Mom buy trucks. Get out of it.
Oh, there it is. There it is. Garrett, what's up with the dually? Anything new?
This last it though.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I like the stock headlights back in it.
I do too. Those black ones I had were cool and all.
Yeah, that's clean looking.
Now I'm getting back to just the stock look, which I like a lot more, it seems.
Right. Still running strong.
It really is. It's really doing good. I'm proud of it. Oh, I got fog lights in too.
I saw that. This thing is probably the best sounding diesel on the road. Just the epitome of a log truck.
I would tell you what RPM, but that gauge didn't work either.
We don't need to know.
It was at least
Sounded good.
3,200.
That's all that mattered. It's just a diesel video, I guess. We're just cranking everything.
1980s John Deere 310C. First, I mean, you'll
Just
see it.
bog on it. That was an insanely fast cold. Oh, I thought you were driving it somewhere.
Oh no.
Oh, just sheerly for a cold start.
Yep.
Dadgum.
Let that compression heat and cool.
Yeah, you
Good
just.
for diesels.
Yeah, I know.
That one's, if it ain't worn out yet, I'm gonna be honest, that didn't hurt her.
No, I think she's probably had worse in her life. thing's so daggum nasty. I'm more excited about that thing than his car, I think. Trail Boss. Blizzard, whatever we're calling it. Sheesh. Unreal. Man, myth, legend. Dang, fresh to death. Come here. Come here. Oh, we sweet. Oh, hey, mama.
First of all, we got the truck. Huge step. We're getting it taken all apart, which is the easy and boring part, to get rebuilt into this snowman, Smoking the Bandit thing.
I'm calling it the Death Wheeler. That thing's going to be insane.
I mean, right now it looks pretty Death Wheeler. I mean, look at the hood.
This is going to be ready before the car.
No doubt. Yeah.
This is like the
easier.
forefront.
It's easier. It's just
Right.
bigger.
Right.
But it runs and drives as shown.
It's just got an air leak. Is that the thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gear makes it sound like we're gonna have it done in a month and a half.
It's gonna be done. It's gonna be done by Christmas.
Yeah, Christmas is deadline. I'm sure there's gonna be a big truck meet, surely.
Christmas 20 what?
20, what year?
The airline late, gonna put all new airlines on it. Just front to back. Like
Right.
this corroded piece of junk.
Be safe about it.
Yeah, it's gonna be going down the road doing 80 miles an hour ish, you know, and you got 80,000 pounds
Probably
rolling
want
that
it.
fast.
Want some security.
Want it to stop.
Yeah.
Shoot, give me 3 years. We'll see how it goes.
Shoot, 6 months. Christmas is the deadline.
Well, the next big thing is gonna be taking the sleeper off, getting it sandblasted, the frame, and primed and painted.
Wiring is gonna take a
Airlines, wiring.
Oh gosh.
Airlines and wiring, and the interior. That's the big thing. Then the paint. And then the other big thing will be getting the trailer, but that's just gonna be pick one out, have someone sticker it, and go pick it up. It's not like we're doing
Right.
any of that.
Right.
That's just gonna be money. As you can tell, I'm full of money. Look how I'm dressed.
That just goes to show you how much you miss dirt bikes.
Yeah, this isn't even my shirt.
That's like the worst thing to wear when you sweat because you can't wipe your sweat off with it.
Yeah, I don't know if I was going for anti-mosquito or.
Oh, that's solid because they are bad here.
Well,
A little holy. I feel like they can still grab you, but
they can.
Yeah.
That was my mistake.
all right. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it. We'll catch up with y'all in the next 18-wheeler update.